Hello friends, welcome back to Kiddo Color Club. Today, I want you to meet a very special friend of mine. His name is Sunny the Snail. Sunny may be small and colorful, but he has big dreams. He was born in a beautiful green garden, where he loved the smell of fresh leaves, the colors of flowers, and the sparkle of morning dew. One day, Sunny decided he wanted to see more than just his garden. So, he set off on a slow but exciting adventure. Along the way, he met a colorful butterfly, a singing cricket, and a cheerful ladybug. Sunny knows he moves slowly, but he never stops. He believes the slower you go, the more beauty you see in the world. And so, Sunny continues his journey, making new friends, learning new things, and filling his path with bright colors. Who knows where his next adventure will take him? Red color. Sky blue. Light green. Magenta.